Hi guys, I have another haul for you. This one is from Thrive Market. Of course, it's a food haul, a grocery haul. I'm still sick. I'm filming this the same day as my brandless food haul. I'm sick, I don't feel good, I don't look good, so I'm not going to be in the camera except for my hand and my voice. I've got a few repurchases and quite a few new things to try this time. First thing that I picked up is a couple loaves of this Char, I believe that's how you say it, I don't know, but you can see the brand, gluten-free artisan baker white bread. This is the best bread that I have tried that's gluten-free. Another good brand is, I believe it's called Franz, F-R-A-N-Z, but this is the best for me personally that I like. Then I picked up the gluten-free Bob's Red Mill old-fashioned rolled oats. I have bought this brand before. I really like it, but not from Thrive Market. It is the same brand, so I know that I like it, and I will be repurchasing from Thrive Market because my local stores don't carry the Bob's Red Mill oats anymore. This is a repurchase. These are both the same thing right here. These are the Simple Mills fine ground sea salt almond flour crackers, and they are so good. I love them. They do have a little bit of a rosemary taste to them because they do of course have rosemary in them. They are so good. I love these. The next thing that I picked up is this Thrive Market ground cumin. I do buy a lot of my spices from them because they do seem to give quite a good amount. The next thing are these Char, or I don't know how to say the brand. These are the gluten-free entertainment crackers, and since I love their bread, I thought I would pick up these crackers and see if they taste good. So this is a first time purchase. This is also a first time purchase. This is called Choco Dream Crispy Rice Sticks. These are filled with cocoa spread in them, and they look really good. So I am excited to try these. Pacific Organic Cream of Chicken Condensed Soup. A lot of condensed soups are not gluten-free. As you can see, this one is. It says gluten-free right here. Yeah, so I got 3 of these. So this is a first time purchase, but if I like it, I'll be repurchasing it. I got this as a free gift. You spend a certain amount and you get free gifts depending on how much you spend. This is the Yum Earth Organic Fruit Snacks. And the last thing that I picked up are these Thrive Market Variety Pack Lip Balm. I have the Peppermint Lip Balm from Thrive Market, and it is my favorite lip balm of all time. I have tried so many lip balms. This is my second time getting the lip balm because it is so good. It always leaves my lips moisturized. I've only tried the peppermint one and I really, really love it. But this time I got the variety pack, which includes the citrus flavor, unflavored vanilla mint, and peppermint. That is all that I got for this haul. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!